I'm here with my mommy today, and my mommy is gonna teach me something really special. What are we gonna do today? Pernil, she's gonna show me how to do it the mommy way. So we got this pernil right here. This is a really small pernil, right?
Yeah, it's tiny. It's, you know, for 2 people. What we're gonna do first is, because I'm a germaphobe, we're gonna wash it.
Very important. Make sure you wash your meat.
Don't be giving nobody dirty meat.
This is a good idea to pat it dry.
Okay.
Take out all the excess water. Okay, so what I like to do is poke holes in it. We add garlic inside the holes. Give it the extra, you know, flavor.
So just stab it up. That's
yeah,
it?
like make a slash, like an inch or so. There you go.
Like
That's
that?
a good size.
So we're gonna make a hole like that, enough to be able to slip your finger in there.
Hey, yo, what the?
Let's use the knife, a different knife. We're gonna cut out all this fat.
So we're just cutting the skin right off of the meat, right?
Yeah, we want this to be a flap.
Oh, I know about flaps.
It's a little tedious, but it'll come out tasting really good.
So we cut into the skin, so we create
Flap
a
it
little
off.
flap.
Now here we can poke the holes,
Okay.
all right, like a little longer.
Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
So
We got one in here.
some on that side. Peel these garlics.
Okay,
We're
peel
gonna
the
make
garlic.
a paste and stuff it in the hole.
Ah. For a pernil this size, like what would you suggest? How many garlics would we use?
It depends on the size of the garlic. Maybe half of it for now.
When you were growing up in Grandma's house, how often would Grandma make pernils?
Pretty much only the holidays or a special occasion, you know, a party or a birthday or something. I was always with her in the kitchen helping her. I liked it back then. I still like it. It was therapeutic, kind of.
I think cooking is therapeutic too.
We're gonna put it in this little ninja. Let's throw it in there. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil.
Okay. So first we're pureeing it.
We're pureeing. Some people may put a little bit of adobo to give it oh, we could put salt. Just to give it a little. And I usually don't make it here. I usually use the pilon, but I broke it by mistake today, putting it away. For now, we'll use this to poke the hole, and the other half is to season the rest on top. You have holes in the bottom too. You're wasting all the garlic. Yes, you gotta
Equality
give
to
them
all holes.
all the flavors. You gotta put them in, stick them in the hole, and yes.
Mommy said make sure you give all the holes love.
Yes, you're sticking it well.
What do you mean? What's wrong with
Good job at it sticking. The rest of this, I'll tell you what to do. So we're gonna make a dry rub.
And what's in the dry rub?
I like to use ground cumin. I like to use adobo. You need adobo. We're gonna have some salt and sazón. I don't measure, so I just pour.
We don't measure in this house.
I'll show you. We're gonna put salt.
Give that a little mixy
A
mix.
little mixy mix.
So we got our dry rub there.
And we're going to, first let's do the bottom part. Let's just put some here. Evenly distributed. That's great. Not everyone does this. I like to do it.
A mommy special.
Let's turn it over.
Okay.
Let's flip that over.
Okay, flipping the skin open.
Flipping this,
Like that,
and I
okay.
like to put sofrito.
Yeah, for the people at home that don't know.
That don't know what sofrito is. I use red pepper, green pepper, garlic, cilantro, onions,
Ajicito peppers.
ajicitos,
And culantro, right?
and culantro, and I puree it. I don't buy it in the store, no. I make it myself. I make like at least a month's worth. So I like to add this to my pernils to just give it an extra nice little flavor. And then we're gonna pour the dry rub.
So it almost gives it like a nice little wet base first.
Yeah.
And then
And as it's
something for the
cooking, you're gonna
seasoning.
get these nice flavors that comes down the pernil as it's cooking. Fabulous. Now you do.
Now we
this
close
with
it up.
Close it up. And the rest of the garlic that's here, you can put it on the top here
Okay.
with the dry rub. And we're gonna pour the leftovers. It's not gonna go to waste because it's gonna taste fabulous. Just rub it all over that plate. Put your hands all over it and rub it. Now usually when I make pernil, I like to let it sit a day or two for all those flavors to come together because it won't be as tasty if you do it the same day. And that's how you season the pernil.
Look at our pretty pernil.
You could put it in an aluminum tray or a glass tray. Cover it for a day or two. The day you're gonna bake it, it's 350. This is a small pernil. I mean, the big pernils we usually like 5-6 hours.
So like 350 for about 3 hours.
Yes, to be safe. I mean, it is pork. You want it to be cooked well.
Cover it with foil.
You cover it with foil. Start at 350 for maybe an hour and a half. And then the other half, I like to raise the temperature to 400 for the remainder. What I like to do after that is you want this top part here.
The skin.
You want cuero, crunchy.
Is there anything extra that you do to
do.
make the cuero come out extra crunchy?
So this is another secret I have. I like to pour beer.
So you're cooking it at 350, let's say something this size for like 2 hours. And then that last hour you go in, you pour a little bit of beer on it.
Pour beer, I leave it uncovered. And then
you let it cook for the
you
last
just
hour?
Let it, yes. So
Cheap
now you guys
cuero.
know my secret.
Ooh, don't tell
OMG.
nobody.
Sharing is caring.
So that's how we season up the pernil. Classic Puerto Rican recipes from classic New Yorkers. Make sure you like, subscribe, and see you next time.